Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 is a basic Pythagorean theorem problem. It says a right triangle has a hypotenuse of 40 meters. One of the legs measures 24 meters. What is the length of the other leg of the triangle? So the Pythagorean theorem is used for right triangles, and it says that the length of one of the legs squared, often called A, plus the length of the other leg squared, often called B, is equal to the length of the hypotenuse squared, often called C. And remember, the hypotenuse is the side that's opposite the right angle. Oftentimes you'll see the Pythagorean theorem written as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And so in this problem, we know that the hypotenuse is 40 meters, and we know that one of the legs is 24. And it doesn't matter whether we call 24 on the A leg or 24 on the B leg. We're just trying to find the other leg of the triangle. And so we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we can substitute. We're looking for the length a, so a squared will leave. We're going to substitute 24 for b and square that, and we're going to substitute 40 for c and square that. And so on the left side of my equation, I would have a squared plus 24 times 24 is 576. And on the right side, 40 squared, which is 40 times 40, is 1600. And now all I have to do is solve the equation. So I'm going to subtract 576 from both sides in order to get a squared by itself. 576 minus 576 is 0, or as some people say, it cancels out. And 0 plus a squared is a squared. 1600 minus 576 is 1024. And now we just have to take the square root on both sides to undo the square. So the square root of a squared would be a, and the square root of 1024 is 32. And so the length of the other leg, or the other side of the right triangle, is 32 meters.